Your bar keeps breaking.
I mean, yeah, it's a bit crumbly, so
So fix it.
what, right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. See, this is the dough that becomes this bar. Now, usually I would have used whole deep-heated dates as both the binder as well as the sweetener, but it's not that great a binder, which is why this bar crumbles, which you don't like, do you?
Nope.
No problem. Let's use invert sugar instead. Basically, it's sugar, but sounds like the opposite of sugar. No one needs to know.
No refined sugar.
Let's use date syrup instead. Basically, it's sugar derived from dates minus all the fiber and minerals. But hey, I get to call it date sweetened still. Awesome.
I said na, I don't want sugar by any name.
Okay. So demanding. I think I have the perfect thing for smart consumers like you. A plant-based, natural, prebiotic fiber. Or FOSS.
Wow. What's FOSS?
Fructo-oligosaccharide. Starts as a plant root, but after much chemical processing, becomes like this. Mild sweetener, great binder. And here's your fixed bar. You happy? Me happy. Best.
Me no happy. Stop putting chemicals in my food.
Oh, so you want 100% natural, no refined sugar by any sort of name wala food?
Yeah.
Like real food.
Real food.
Like real food.
Real food.
Here, real food. Damn yummy, but crumbly, uneven, sticky. These flaws are proof that we did not tamper with nature. Real food is flawed, and those flaws are perfect. And that's the whole truth.